Once again, welcome back to your GK Buddy. In our recent two videos, we saw how to use Google Map effectively and how to share your current and live location to reduce your travel worries. Today we will try to understand about Google Earth, another fascinating utility provided by Google. The technology named Keyhole was developed by Intrinsic Graphics in the 1990s. In 1999, they created Keyhole Incorporated. In 2004, Google acquired this company and developed into the wonder that it is today. Google Earth can be accessed in too many ways so that you can get confused. To start our exploration, I would suggest that you browse the address google.com/intl/en_in/earth. It will take us to this landing page. You can see there's a button for launching Earth here, another one here, another option here. There are three versions of Google Earth. Google Earth on web, Google Earth on mobile, Google Earth Pro on desktop. Let's first explore the available menu. You click on the overview. You can create a map here. You can navigate to places you love. Here is an example, Matterhorn Glacier, and so many options are there. You can choose your adventure with Voyager, play games. These are all options. In the resources menu, you will get to join the community making the world better. There is a Google Earth Outreach program and Google Earth Education program. Explore it further with more from Earth. You have an Earth Engine. You have Earth Studio. You have Earth Virtual Reality and Earth Outreach. Earth Engine is a platform for scientific analysis and visualization of geospatial datasets for academic, non-profit, business and government users. With Earth Studio, you can create animations using Google Earth views. Now, Earth Virtual Reality can take you to fascinating places. You can wear the Oculus Rift glasses and visit the exotic locations. We have previously done a video on virtual reality and also Google Maps. I am putting the links to these videos in the description section. These two videos will also help you to understand Google Earth better. Google Earth provides a 3D representation of Earth. It uses satellite images, aerial photography, and geographic information data to create these images. You can explore the globe, you can explore the cities and places, and you can have virtual views of these places. You can watch it on your computer or on your smartphone. Now let's launch Google Earth on the web. You can explore these menus. You can visit a place by typing its address or its coordinate. Suppose I type Statue of Liberty, National Monument. It can straight away take me to Statue of Liberty. Now let's see the basic navigation techniques. You click and hold, the cursor transforms into a hand, and you can move the globe whichever way you want. Using the tools here, you can zoom in and zoom out also. Clicking on this icon, you can fly to your current location. This is where I am located. Once again, let me go to Statue of Liberty. Here you have the Pegman. You drag and drop him there, anywhere on this blue line. It gives a detailed 3D view. Now you do the left click, you can move the globe. Suppose you just drag it left and release the left click, it will go on spinning. By clicking again, you can stop that. Now let us see this Voyager view. It can take you to many fascinating places. It can take you to great hikes around the world, like the 3D view of a few coastal cities. It can show you the simulation, how the global warming is going to affect it. You can play quizzes and games. It can show you the impact of time lapse at various locations. It provides you with the different types of views. A clean view with no borders, labels, places or roads. Or another one with borders, labels, places and roads. A different view which shows everything. And you can also create your own custom views. It also has a tool for measuring the distance from various places. Google Earth provides you the views of Moon and Mars also. Suppose we use the Google Earth Pro. You can download Google Earth Pro for free. This provides you with very comprehensive and fascinating facilities. Here also navigation is similar, but it is organized differently. You can use this utility to tilt the globe. You can use it to move to left or right, up or down, zoom in, zoom out. You can use Google Earth on your mobile phones also. You can download the Earth app on an Android phone. You can go to Google Store and download the app. The menus work slightly differently, but it is similar in that it has the search, Voyager, projects, map style, create postcard, share the link. On an iPhone also the menu is similar, except that here instead of create postcard, it shows snapshot. You opt for Voyagers on your mobile phone. You can hike to places around the world like this. Here, this is a very interesting location, Mars on Earth. It will take you to an island where the geography is similar to Mars, and people are camping there to experience and prepare for the future colonization of Mars. And you can see many quizzes and games are available. Games like where on Google Earth is Carmen Sandiego. You can participate in this hunt for Carmen Sandiego. You can go places and in the process explore these places. So many such games are there. If we talk about Google Earth Pro, it has many utilities. Among the tools you can also see a flight simulator. You can choose whether you are going to fly an F-16 or an SR-22. And suppose you want to take off from Sydney, you can choose the airport here, then start your flight. So now you are at the Sydney airport runway 25. You have the flight controls here. You can control your direction, you can control your speed, you can control your altitude, you can accelerate, you have the brake controls, but it's a little tricky. You have to get acquainted to the systems so that you can smoothly take over, fly to another destination or take around and land at the same airport. That is an elaborate topic. You can practice this. So that's it. My idea is to place before you the possibilities that Google Earth placed before you. You can start exploring it. It's a wonderful world. And you can explore the world sitting in your home. Especially these days when your wings are clipped and you are compelled to the confines of your home because of COVID. Explore it and enjoy the ride. I'll come back later so that we can experience together flying using the flight simulator in Google Earth. As well, I will also come back with another video to explain how you can use Google Earth Studio. Hope this video has been informative and useful. If you liked it, please share it. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now so that I can notify you when I am ready with the next video. Thank you for watching. Corona is still around. Watch against Corona and be safe. See you soon.